All right. So, a customer of mine reached out to me for, a partner of mine reach out to me to help her confirm some business name for business registration. And these are the names that we want to confirm. So I want to use it to explain how you can make use of the public search portal. The public search portal where you check the availability of your business name before you do any registration. You see, most business owner they make this mistake. Most business owner they make this mistake without searching for their business name before doing registration, and at the end of the day you get to know that it has already been used by somebody else after paying for name reservation. So yes, let's see how you can make use of the public search portal on CAC. So this is it. I use ChatGPT for my search so that it will go to the site directly. So this is it here. We already have this cac.gov.ng. So if you are making use of Google, you can just make use of this link. Copy this link and paste it, or I'll be pasting the link in the description or in the comment section. Or make sure you search for a link that has this blue this blue icon. All right, this blue icon. So yes, I'm clicking on it right now, and we'll search for the name together and see how you can search or make use of the public search portal directly. So this is it. If you go to a site that is not showing this type of interface, please go back and look for the one that has blue icon, or make use of the link in the comment, or in the comments, or in the description box. All right. So yes, let's type in the name. These are the names we got: Temi Prime Stores and Temi Essential Mart. All right. Temi Prime Store, Temi Prime Store. So there are three ways you can make use of you can do your search. You can start with all the full names. The full business name given to you. Like this now, this is the full business name, Temi Prime Store. Let me remove the S. It is, even if S is included, it is unnecessary. So yes, let's search this first and make sure um you do the puzzle. I call it puzzle, but it is the captcha. So you do the captcha to verify that you're not a robot. And after that, okay, let's try once more. Oh, we're getting a lot. All right, I think this should be all right, good. So yes, there is no business registered or no entity registered as Temi Prime Store, right? So this is it. If you see search not found, it means that no business. If you search not found, it means that no business or no entity has registered under the name. And make sure that you are clicking on all the type here. You are clicking on all the entity to confirm. You are clicking on all the entity to confirm the availability. All right. So the second way that we are going to do is Temi Prime. Temi Prime is still not available. So let's check Temi. I'm sure this will be available. Yes. So this is it. You see, Temi, Temi. We are seeing different Temi here. We are seeing different Temi here, different Temi here. So this tells you that we already have the the likeliness of it being rejected or being queried. But that doesn't mean that it will be rejected. That doesn't mean that 100% it will be rejected, because as you can see here, we have Temi Yabi, we have Salam Temi, we have Temi T, we have Queen Temi, we have Ogini Business. Okay, we have Temi Tech Gadget and Technologies, we have Temi's Cave. Even this one is even still under registration, and the name has already been approved. That is why we are having it here. So with this, if you are in this kind of situation, you look for we do what is called modification. You look for ways that you can modify your business name or your client's business name to make it approved. In my own case, we already have Temi Prime. So that Temi Prime now, I can just advise that person. She gave me two names, Temi Prime Stores and Temi Essential Mart. All right. So I can advise the person that, okay, let's do hers like this. This is the Salam Temi Ajike Dynamic Multi-Business Global. something something something. So this has already been approved. This one has already been approved. So yes, let's look at the structures in which the names here, the structures in which they are constructed. So the structure will give us an idea on how we can also do ours. We already have Princess Temi here. So since my customer already have Temi Prime, I can just tell her, okay, let's put an hyphen beside the Temi, then it will be Temi Prime stores. Then I will the for the second option that she gave me, Temi Essential Mart, I will tell her, okay, let's leave this. All right, let's leave this without the hyphen. So we'll submit the two names together. I don't know if you understand. So yes, but in company registration case, there's no Temi for company. Let's see. In company registration case, because there are some modification that you have to add something at the front. Yes, you have to have something at the front. You see, we have Temi Finance Limited, we have Temi Forest Limited, we have Temi Sabia Limited, we have Temi's Global Autos Limited, we have Temi Sam Limited. So yes, we can go with that. Or if the person has maybe any other initials like Temi D or Temi T, like we saw there, or something at the front like Unique Temi or the Glorious Temi. So these are the kind of modifications that you do. I also tell my client that, okay, let's add D. If you know you like that name so much and you want to reserve it, you want to reserve it, let's add initials like D. Or I've seen a colleague of mine add one dot one dot. But that's really really very bad, because in case whereby you want to hang your certificates in your workshop or your office, so seeing your name like this, it's very very bad. And CAC now, they are going against you publicizing a different name that is not registered. I don't know if you understand. In this person's case now, that use one dot, let's say Temi Prime Store. I'm sure if the person wants to do a banner or a flyer or something, the one dot will not be there. I don't know if you get. So CAC are against this kind of thing a lot. They are against it. Like they are fully against it. So yes, that's another way of modification. And another way that I would like to recommend is you can bracket. You are making use of brackets. I don't know if you get that. Like making use of brackets. For example, now this D here, I can bracket it. Hmm? I can bracket it. Or let's say there was a customer of mine that loves Ehe Kuto. I wanted to do it then. He said he wants Ehe Kuto. So when we search, Ehe Kuto has already been used. Ehe Kuto, okay, does not have the dot. I think it was like this. Yes, Ehe Kuto. Yes, this is the name of the business. So this is what we did. Hmm? I told him that Ehe Kuto has already been used. Like different people has already used Ehe Kuto and also. Yes, this is it here. This was the word that we saw that has already been used. Ehe Kuto Limited. So I told him that we cannot use this because it has already been used. Understand? It has already been used. So I told him, okay, let's do this. We did brackets. We bracketed the name, like we bracketed Abiola Ajumo in brackets. Then we had A Kuto in front of it, and yes, it was approved. So the thing is still under registration though, but the name has already been approved. So I don't know if you understand this. So there are different ways. Yours can be in the middle, or at the end. You can add this at the in the middle, like this, whatever initials you want to bracket, you can put it at the end or in the middle. So it being in a bracket means that it is not compulsory you add it to whatever whatever publicizing you want to do. You understand? So these are other ways that you can modify your your uh, your business name, or check if your business name is available as a customer or as an agent. If you are an agent, I'm sure you know we have what we call the post corporation portal. The post corporation portal is for mainly accredited agents, like only accredited agents have access to the post corporation portal. So we also check names through the post corporation portal. It is like a second option where we it's like a second option for us to check the availability of name. If you have confirmed that okay, this name has already been used, let's check truly is it still available, because there are some names, there are some business names or registered entity that has already been struck off from the CAC portal, this CAC portal here, and it is still showing on the public dashboard. So is either those business name they are waiting for them to enlist their business name back, or they're waiting for them to delist it totally or being struck off. So if you check this post corporation portal, it will give you it will let you know if the name is truly available or not. You understand? So let me know if you have any question regarding doing your business registration, or if you have any issue doing your public search. So this is how you can make use of the site, as simple as it is. Don't forget to reach out to us for any of your CSC registration or compliance certificates, and follow this YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you and have a nice day.